Duck to the right, gator to the left. I would not go up in there if I were you. Run, ducky, run. Gator is hot on your tail. Hey.
I showed up today intent on hauling in a bunch of largemouth, but the Delta, she had other plans. Hey, Stu here. We're on Robbers Island in Chickasaw. We're about to go fishing from the bank on 8 Mile Creek. Okay, let's try something else. Go chatterbait. Alright, I pulled out the old black max. And I'm going to go with chatterbait. Little shad tied on there on the end like that. Just put braid on this for the first time, 30-pound braid. So I'm kind of getting it dialed in. Blue bass right there, a little one. But one just the same. Nope, that is an optical illusion. It looks like a bass. One of the spectacular things about this delta is that so many people live right on it and can take advantage of this incredible wild space every day from their own backyard. That's pretty spectacular. Ooh, you see that? Something hit at that. Let's go back and try that again. I was just trying to get that leaf off of there. Nothing on or near the top. Let's see what the bottom holds. So I just took a swipe at it. There we go. What do we got here? Oh, wow. Holy shnikes. There we go. That, folks, is a pumpkin seed. Aren't they beautiful? Gosh, I really want an aquarium so I can fill it with these and red-breasted sunfish. Just beautiful fish. All right, going back in there, baby. Told you something bumped it earlier. Told you. Now see, that's the kind of fish I'm used to catching in this creek, but way back up on the shallower end in the community of 8 Mile where it gets its name. It's a much shallower creek there. As kids, we would wade it looking for a pool deep enough to have a fish that big in it. Outstanding. Yay, first fish I caught out at 8 Mile Creek in decades. Here I got some applause going back there.
Duck to the right, gator to the left. Oh no, Mr. Ducky. Run, Ducky, run. Gator is hot on your tail. There you go.
Now I am at the moment no danger to you, but I agree with Mr. Alligator. You are delicious. Looks like we got a rising tide, and it's flowing in this way, but the wind keeps blowing it back out that way, so this little area here is moving back and forth. Uh-oh. Yay. The other thing about this inline spinner being a little smaller, perhaps I don't catch a bass, but maybe I catch a nice bluegill on it. And about 10 casts after I mentioned this might catch a bluegill, voila, it catches a bluegill. Now, we've been to 8 Mile Creek here before. About a year or so, I believe it was last summer, a friend and I came down here and we just went on a little kayak trip. It's a beautiful little creek. It eventually feeds into the Chickasaw Bogue, or as it's now referred to, Chickasaw Creek. But man, I've been fishing this little creek at various parts, I think, my entire life. Oop. Not where I wanted it all. Let's hope I get this one back. Nope, that rat. Oh, I got it. E18.
These fellas just landed over here. Ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna have to figure out what those are.
Whoa! Oh my gosh! Folks, that right there is a striped bass. Look at that. Ain't that cool? Man, I have not caught one of these in a very, very long time. Oh, he just skeeted on me. Get that mouth open, buddy. Wow, he's got a grip. Check that out. He's small, but that is a striped bass. I have not caught one of those in a very long time. Cool, that's 3 different species. Well, that was certainly an interesting day. I came here convinced that I was going to be pulling bass out left and right, and instead I catch a pumpkinseed, a bluegill, And the biggest surprise of all, a striped bass. This place is just full of surprises. I'll see you on the Delta.
Luke the dog here coming at you, asking you to please remember to click the like and subscribe. Ooh, squirrel! I'll be back.